Ronald Kabunga lo epolo kita kironu ikilio ko kedangor oriongete lo ashoman kedabole asho ngese balebe ingara kineti Ikilabun lo Angaleu ko Isomeroi ai tetene kai chora pesur ai sacha lengana kinaelo.
So how many of us have school health committees? We need to put in place, yes, one person there. We need to put in place school health committees, and basically they are dealing with issues of prevention. Like you see, there is testing, routine testing.
Francis Oduong, Swaman lo World Division, Opolo Kitashuma ne tema samuk, ngese balebe, tamitos kesia ingara kina pugan, ai shishana kinitunga, eto sumaelo kisil.
And we told them we're ready to support the ministry in this exercise. And this dissemination is being done by the Ministry of Education themselves. World Vision is only providing the logistical support.
Kele na choma polo kinito na choman ko district alo Kamuria ngeze balebe koto engareno ke buaikinwe sisha utu kesi koto maswa misoit.
They should come and learn from us. Why don't we go and learn from us? I was already seeing a place where we could go and learn from. How do these stay in school committees operate? We have had head teachers going to learn in some of the very well performing schools in Asamuk sub-county. We can still learn even other things from our very own sub-county.
Moses Mabu, Apollo ne cholongolo kanyet ko district alo Kamuria, ngese balebe kapakina ngesi, ITG apotunu naidwe.
Buna yunebe itodolikina na peta nwe jesu le minisula shoman, neo district adiro orak na peta, ni kamara kede anyu nibone biko keni pese, iye na buwa duma tiokson wegelegela akalo na koronado ikina akwa pok. Igangyo do pedo iko keni pese kara de poti kara da edo mutlema ko iko opeda je uno somero do shomo ngeza kaido aluche
era mshot na je kuna noi ano asinyi ko kini dwe ai daga ila na ga ga ibo kene pol au paske da Angaleu sare ngale chidwe muna ne pari e pe doctor bunya no semero ko kakina do ko pe tama kuna kidalu che na galu cheda e chamneta mo kikida kesi mamiyalo ngosi.
Kanuka TV East Abraham Lapu ka Christine Tado ko district lo Kamuria.